You know, sometimes you just want a quick, easy pizza, something that's filling and satisfying, but still helps you lose weight. Well, that's what we're making today. I'm gonna show you how to make a simple flatbread pizza with pepperoni and sausage. It's only 600 calories and has 80 grams of protein. It's coming up right now on The Cog is Shred. Hey, how's it going, everybody? My name is John, and I've lost over 130 pounds naturally by changing my habits, and recipes like the one I'm sharing today have helped me to keep it off. So this flatbread pizza is easy to make, it comes together quickly, and it is loaded with protein. All right, if you're ready, let's get cooking. So the first thing we're gonna do is make some lean ground sausage. All we're gonna do is season some 90-10 lean ground pork. I've got 4 ounces of lean ground pork, and we are going to add 1.5 grams of salt, 1 gram of ground fennel, 0.8 grams of smoked paprika, 0.6 grams of garlic powder, 0.4 grams of black pepper. If you want some heat, 0.3 grams of cayenne pepper. This is optional. 0.3 grams of dried oregano, 0.3 grams of dried basil, and finally, to balance out the flavor, 0.2 grams of Monkfruit Sweetener. That's it. Now we just mix everything together by hand and you've got some sweet Italian sausage. And that's it. Sausage is ready. Now set this aside, wash your hands, and we'll move on to the flatbread. I forgot to mention, preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. That way it is hot and ready to bake. I've got a baking sheet, and I'm gonna cover it with a piece of aluminum foil just to catch anything that may fall through this wire rack. I'm placing the wire rack on top. That way the flatbread will be elevated. It'll help keep the bottom from getting soggy. The flatbread we're using is one of these Joseph's Lavash flatbreads. Lavash, is that right? Or is it Lavish? I'm gonna go with Lavash. They sell these in 2 different sizes. I got the 5-pack. These are a little bit smaller and they're only 100 calories each. So place your flatbread on your wire rack. Now here I've got 52 grams of great value pizza sauce. Just gonna put all of it on here and try to spread it on as evenly as you can. Don't go all the way to the edge. Get close to the edge, about as close as you can, but you want to leave just a little bit of a border so you've got a tiny bit of a crust around the edges. Try to make it nice and even as possible. All right, let's get some cheese on there. I've got 102 grams of fat-free mozzarella. Sounds like a lot, but when you put it on there, it's just enough. And this is loaded with protein. We are gonna make a very high protein pizza today. Just try and distribute it evenly. Now, fat-free cheese is very low in moisture, so it doesn't melt very well in the oven on its own. What I'm gonna do, spray it with a little bit of this I can't believe it's not butter spray. That'll add a little bit of moisture and a little buttery flavor. Butter. Which will complement this very nicely. There we go.
There you go.
Now it's time to pep it up with some pepperoni. I love using Hormel turkey pepperoni, 70% less fat than regular pepperoni, 17 slices per serving, only 70 calories.
Ooh, I wanna eat it up, got to get me some homemade pepperoni.
We're gonna add 25 slices of this. Another great way to add a lot of protein. I like to start in the middle. I'll put 5 right across the center. This will help me to keep it sort of symmetrical and balanced. And then we're gonna put 5 more on either side of that. And again, 5 more on either side of these. And there we go, cover the whole thing.
The whole thing.
Okay, now let's add the sausage. And yes, we are adding the sausage raw because it's going to cook in the oven very quickly. The first time I tried this recipe, I actually cooked it up in a skillet, but this lean pork dries out so quickly. It was so dry by the time it finished baking. And then I realized it'll cook in the oven. People add raw sausage to pizza all the time for that very reason. So as you can see, I'm just breaking off small little pieces, and I'm actually starting off by covering the little gaps in between the pepperoni because this is another trick to help the mozzarella melt because it's so low in fat. The more I can cover the cheese, the more it'll trap the steam inside and help the mozzarella to melt. Oh yeah, there we go. That is nice and loaded with meat. All right, I'm gonna wash my hands one more time and we're gonna add our final seasonings.
Final round.
Okay, so now let's sprinkle on 5.5 grams of grated Parmesan. This is gonna add that last little bit of protein, bringing it up to an even 80 grams. Other than that, just add whatever you want for flavor. I like to add a little bit of garlic salt sprinkled on top just to help enhance the flavors. A little garlic powder, a little smoked paprika. I love smoked paprika. Some dry oregano, and some dried basil. All right, this is ready to bake. So we're gonna put it in the oven for about 9 minutes, or at least until the sausage is fully cooked and the edges of the crust start to get a little brown and crispy. Here we go. And I've got my timer set for 9 minutes. We'll check back then.
A few minutes later.
All right, it's been 9 minutes. Let's take a look at this pizza. That is ready. Would you take a look at that? Look at all that sausage and all that pepperoni. This thing is so loaded with protein, so full of flavor. Okay, so I'm just gonna set this over here. I'm gonna let it cool just for a minute or so, and then we're gonna slice it up.
A few moments later.
All right, so this is cooled down for maybe about a minute or two. I'm gonna go ahead and move this from the wire rack right onto the baking sheet so I can slice it. Do you see this beauty right here, this thing? I cannot wait to dig in. I'm gonna go ahead and slice this thing into small slices because it's still gonna be kind of soft and floppy, so I don't want it all falling apart. I like to cut this into just these small little squares. All right, so I cut that into 16 pieces. This is sliced and ready to eat. And here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Take a look at this gorgeous pepperoni and sausage flatbread pizza. Low calorie, loaded with protein. Let's go ahead and dig in and try a bite of this. Here we go. Oh yeah, that is tasty, and it's just a simple store-bought flatbread. You don't even have to make dough. It's so quick and easy to make. This is good for lunches or dinner. I'm actually having it for breakfast right now. And that sausage there, that sausage is so full of flavor, and it's so lean. It's only 10% fat. I could eat this all the time, seriously. And I love that the edges get that little bit of a crisp. Okay, well, before I devour this entire thing, let me go over the macros. For the whole pizza, it's only 600 calories, 24 grams of carbs, 22 grams of fat, 80 grams of protein. 600 calories, 80 grams of protein. That's wild. This isn't, oh, sorry, I get so excited about this. Whenever I figure out a way to minimize calories and maximize protein, it helps so much with both weight loss and muscle gain. Over the past few months, I've gotten a little bit leaner because I've been really trying to watch my macros and really trying to make sure I exercise every day. And stuff like this really, really helps. And it's such a delicious way. I mean, why would you want to go and eat prepackaged diet food that doesn't even taste good when you could make whatever you want as long as it fits into your macros and boom. Bam! This is a recipe for success, baby, all right? Well, I'm hungry as always, so I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my pizza. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe to the Cog is Shred for more recipes and other videos related to my weight loss and fitness journey. If you have any ideas for recipes you might like to see me do in the future, please leave them in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, keep on eating.
Bam!